Greetings of the day, dear students. So here by today we are going to see how the OpenPTech platform can be used. For that, go to your Google or any browser you have, search for OpenPTech and you will be redirected to this page. Click the first one, that is free digital learning on the skills of tomorrow. Click on that. Now, once you enter to this page, first thing you have to do is that this is the platform from which you are going to learn the whole courses. So create your own profile. There are instances where few among you are not able to actually understand what exactly is OpenPTech. So OpenPTech is a platform through which you can actually learn many of the courses which you opted. Now, during the registration process, there were instances where few among you actually missed out. So even if you are not registered for the program initially, you can actually set up the whole thing. So this is already a created profile of my own. So if you are not actually having a profile, go to that profile, you can create one. It is very simple. For that, they will be asking you which is your interest areas. So these are the interest areas that I selected. Prior to that, once you register, you will get a mail in your mail account and it will be somewhere around like this. The one will be PTech you're learning and you can click on that and you will be redirected to this page. Through that you can go to the OpenPTech and that will be redirecting you to the whole course. Okay, so once you are actually clicking on that thing, Google, yes, I am just again showing how the process will be happening to you once you are starting with the whole OpenPTech program. So this will be your home page that I showed you beforehand. So yeah, these ratings you can give at the end of the course once you are actually happy with or not convinced with the course. It depends upon how you're taking the course again. So once you're completed with the course, you can actually go through the various aspects they are actually mentioning regarding the program. Then again, there are certain recommendations for you. Then again, there are certain aspects that they will be actually teaching you. So if you actually wanted to see what courses you have, you can actually go for the channel subscriptions. As of now, there is no channel subscriptions, but always you can actually go to learning process. There you can actually see which are the courses you actually wanted to have. For example, this is a course I actually took, that is digital literacy. That was a part. Now once I actually started to do the course, what exactly is happening is that I have to complete all these aspects. Like the first one is an article that I have to read, then I have to watch a video, then there is an e-learning aspect, again there is an e-learning. Like that I have to complete the whole course. Okay, so once I just complete the whole thing, I will be able to just get the certificate that they will be mentioned about. Okay, so it is more like a knowledge dissemination. So if you feel like you actually wanted to have a broader understanding on certain aspects and you never registered for that course, you can always update your profile. This is what I showed you prior, where you can uncheck or you can click on this thing. For example, I don't want to study art and illustration, or I don't want to study Internet of Things, or maybe programming code, and I wanted to study more of interpersonal skills and problem solving and mindfulness. I can actually continue with the process. They will redirect it, they will make sure that it is our own profile. So all these things you are supposed to enter, and once when you are showing from which institution you are, please enter that SFS college and don't go for St. Francis de Sales, go for SFS college itself. That will be better and you can start doing your courses. So once you are completed with any of the courses, you can actually go and find it over here. There, as of now, I just went through this article, because of that it is shown completed. Now what I can do is that I'll just show you how a course can be done. So here in the learning, I'll go there. For example, I just clicked over professional skills, right? So for professional skills, I am just going in for the professional skills. So this is the description of present with purpose and professional skills badge. So these are the basic descriptions regarding this process. Then understand that this course is one of 5 in professional skill series. Complete all of 5 courses including the quizzes and assignments to earn working in digital world professional skills badge. So always check whether that course is having a badge. for you to understand whether you are going to get a valid certificate. Okay, there are certain courses where this badging opportunity is not there, so please have a understanding. Then you have to go to the activity. Once you are entered into the activity, they will be showing you what are the ways through which you can actually learn, like they will be teaching you. Okay, so this is just yeah, so yeah, these are the things, like these are the course patterns and contents, and you will be having a small quiz at the end of the course. That will be very simple for you once you actually go through all these things. So this is just for understanding purpose, I just showed you. Yes. Okay, so that is how we are done. So once you are done, you can actually offer completed this activity. You can have certain things. Yeah, you have to complete this activity, then only they will actually give you that option to actually go in further. Yeah, so this is how you actually do a course in OpenPTech, and you can actually learn much more about these things. And if you have any doubts, reach out to me in case of any doubts. So these are basic courses. Maybe you will be seeing much more courses in these OpenPTech platform. Feel free to use that, learn that, understand that this is very necessary for us to actually survive in a world where knowledge skills are much more important than what we are learning in a classroom at some point of time, because the way the world is demanding is much more broader. So now you can actually go and try this OpenPTech platform and yeah, enjoy your learning process. And in case of any further queries, as I mentioned, please feel free to actually ask regarding any of these things. And once you actually started earning your badges, they will be actually mentioning number of badges you earned, and the hours you completed over with the OpenPTech will also be mentioned here. So thank you so much for listening. Have a good day ahead. Thank you.